Hey folks, welcome to the channel. My name is Ian and I'm excited you're here. I'll be using this platform to share exciting hands-on projects that blend technology, nature, and an active lifestyle. I'm an engineer by trade, I'm a hobbyist by passion, and I'm an artist at heart. Using each of these, I plan to share exciting hands-on projects, learn new skills, and share it all with you along the way. Today, I wanted to kick things off by showing you one of my biggest DIY projects yet, a truck camper which I built completely from scratch. So to start, just to give you some background, a few years back when my partner and I were living in Central Oregon, we kept seeing these amazing wedge-style campers around town. Think about brands like Go Fast Camper or Super Pacific, there's several more by now. They looked really cool, but our wallets said otherwise and we definitely could not afford one at the time. The most affordable of these campers now starts at over $8,000 to $9,000 depending on how they are optioned. At the time, we were camping in the back of our truck with a simple canopy. Camping in this cramped canopy shell with our dog, Bon, wasn't exactly luxurious, and we quickly grew out of it. Naturally, I thought, hey, I could totally build one of those campers myself. How hard could it be? Turns out it was pretty challenging, but it was absolutely worth it. Alright, starting out with a quick overview of the rig that I built it on. This is our trusty second generation Toyota Tacoma access cab, which has the longer 6-foot bed. To comfortably support the camper's extra weight, I upgraded the suspension with heavy-duty leaf springs and Bilstein shocks. The camper itself mounts conveniently to the existing Tacoma bed rails, which make it sturdy for off-roading, yet easy to remove when we need it. Now let's check out the camper. Starting with an exterior tour, you'll notice a sleek overall profile. I really wanted to keep the convenience of a traditional truck canopy with the added functionality of a full standing height camper when we needed it. Starting out on the sides, you'll notice lockable side panels with quick release latches and a rear panel featuring an integrated brake light and electronic latch. And yes, that latch unlocks with the key fob for added convenience. All of the rear canopy panels open up, allowing convenient access to gear from any side of the truck and creating fantastic airflow on hot days. I'm even considering making some magnetic bug mesh panels for downstairs, but stay tuned for that, that'll be in a future video. Up top, there are lockable latches for the tent portion, leveling bubbles to ensure the bed stays flat, thanks to the help of some RV leveling blocks, awning brackets to prop the rear window open, and extra side latches to keep everything snug while we're on the road. Rubber seals and silicone sealant all around keep water and dust out. Now let's open up the camper and check out the inside. Once you arrive at camp, setup takes just seconds. To open the camper wedge, you just need to unlock the rear latches, open the side latches, and then press up. The gas struts do the rest. Alright, now let's hop inside. So we're going to put the tailgate down, rear hatch up, and welcome inside to our cozy camper. All you need to do is flip on the lights with the integrated switch panel, and you're good to go. Down here in the truck bed, which we like to call the downstairs, you'll find a carpeted interior built onto a custom plywood platform, designed for easy future upgrades or configuration changes. Storage is really key here since most of our stuff has to live down here while the top is closed. I've built an integrated shelf up front, storage over both wheel wells, and a custom gear wall made from repurposed REI gear wall. I've even installed some permanent bike mounts for taking our mountain bikes with us, protected inside the camper from the elements. Additionally, tucked away neatly under the front shelf are water tanks, the RV leveling blocks, a fan, and a lithium battery up top, which powers everything we need. Alright, now let's head upstairs, where you'll find a modular sleeping area featuring an Xped memory foam mattress that's super comfy. The bed platform itself is a generous 53 by 100 inches and can easily rearrange into multiple configurations for either sleeping, cooking, working, or simply lounging. I built the panels onto a rail system so that each panel could be removed or stowed for different purposes. For instance, this configuration is great for working or cooking inside when the weather is poor. This configuration is where the camper mostly lives, which is great for sleeping with a pass-through to below. Alternatively, you can remove all of the panels for a wide open, full standing room. I designed the tent opening height to accommodate a 6-foot tall individual at the lowest point, so at the front of the bed, and in the rear the ceiling height is well over 9 feet. I made the tent itself from heavy-duty waterproof 600D polyester with bug mesh, waterproof YKK zippers, and Velcro. This keeps everything dry, bug-free, and comfortable. The windows can be opened fully, or the bug mesh can stay behind to keep them skeeters out. The rear window can be propped open with awning rods to allow airflow during rainy weather or provide additional shade in direct sun. For cooking, we use an induction stovetop powered by a 100 amp hour lithium battery. This is rechargeable via solar or the truck's alternator when we're driving. A portable fridge keeps food fresh, and rugged storage cases neatly organize all of our cooking utensils and supplies. 10 gallons of water flows easily to a built-in faucet, which we use for refilling our water bottles, cooking, and doing the dishes. I've also got dual power systems set up, so we have a deep cycle 100 amp hour lead acid battery under the hood, which powers the lights in the fridge, plus a lithium battery which handles the larger appliances, solar, and charging our devices. Both systems can work together or independently to provide us extra backup in case one system goes out. When the weather gets really nasty, we have a diesel heater which is permanently installed in the passenger side storage box. This keeps things really toasty when temperatures drop. We've even had this camper out in weather as low as 0 degrees Fahrenheit, and we kept it a nice warm 65 degrees inside. Large windows and an electric fan ensure great airflow when it heats up. We're considering adding a roof fan, but so far the big windows have allowed plenty of air circulation on hot days. So what are my favorite parts? Well, I definitely really like the configurable bed platform. Being able to go from full bed to standing room in seconds is incredible. And the electronic lock on the rear hatch is super great because you have easy access to all of your gear even when you're just traveling around town, and you don't need any extra keys to lock it up. Last little Easter egg, there's actually a hidden storage compartment up top below one of the bed platforms, although we're not really sure what we're going to put here, so it's currently empty. The real strength of this camper is how easy it is to pack up and go, set up camp, and then take down camp when you're ready to leave. To close the camper, you just pull down on the tent fabric, tuck the sides in, and then latch it all up. This camper helps us get out and explore quickly, and we love that we can continue to customize it to fit our exact needs. And the best part? I built this entirely myself from scratch, learned a multitude of new skills, and saved thousands of dollars compared to an equivalent name brand wedge camper. I'm planning on releasing a series of videos showing you exactly how I did it, from design to completion, and all of the fun challenges and frustrations along the way. We'll dive into how to design your own camper using 3D modeling, translate that design to sourced parts, weld the frame, sew the tent, and assemble it all. So if you're thinking about building your own camper, or you just love seeing unique DIY projects like this, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for the full build series and many other exciting projects to come.